Paano ang buhay nito? Yung mga guests namin, yung mga bisita sa Wheel of Fortune, yung mga contestants, pumila yan. Yung mga bikini open winners. So, natanggap siya. Natalisod kita mo ngayon, nandito ka na. Isip, malay ko, eto ka lang dati, nandito ka lang. Di ba,
Tapos yung audition pa nun, banggaganda ng mga kasama ko. Banggaganda talaga yung tipong yung anak Amerikana.
ba't ka nakakuha?
Ewan ko nga.
Tinawag na kayo, di ba?
Tapos nagsasalita sila, yung talent pa. Alam mo yun? Yung banggaganda ng, panoorin nyo yun, talent nila. Banggaganda ng boses. Sabi ko, Sir Gret, kakanta na lang ako. Sabi niya, hindi, sumayaw ka. Hindi marunong talaga ako kumanta. Promise, cross my heart. Tapos sabi niya, hindi, sumayaw ka na lang. This is your shine.
This is your shine. This is your shine.
Oo, edi
Sure
yun.
shine,
Kumanta ako. Kung narinig nyo lang yung boses nila nun.
Kumakanta ka ba?
Medyo.
Sige nga.
Sample nga.
Sang sayang na sayang. Pinakamababa ko yun eh.
Okay, sayang. O doon, sa gitna. Yeah.
With lyrics.
Lyrics.
Ngayon ay alaala sa na.
Chorus na!
Sayang na sayang talaga. Dating pag-ibig na alay sa iyo.
Woo!
Sayang na sayang talaga.
Grabe.
Talented tong batang to.
With acting naman, kaya-kaya ko ah.
Acting kayo, nakita kayo. Hindi, acting. O kayo, mag-acting kayo tatlo. Hindi, kayo, hindi, acting.
Acting.
Nahuli niyo siya. Ito, siya yung mistress. Okay. Naglalakad sila sa mall. Nasa Shangri-La kayo. Nakita niyo na, nandito na sa Sampaguita.
My God, look at that
Okay,
LV.
go.
I want to buy that Birkin.
My gosh.
Daughter.
That's LV.
Oh my God, why is this girl here in this
Oh my
wall?
gosh, I know you.
Who is she?
Excuse me,
I
who
know
are
you.
you? I don't know you.
I
You
saw
know
you
me?
dated my husband.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know.
He's my husband.
Really?
Did you know that?
Oh, daughter.
Sino doon? Sino doon? Ay, a lot of manliligaw.
Jeffrey. His name is Jeffrey.
Uy, wala akong kilala Jeffrey. Baka hindi ako yon.
I saw you in the motel.
Asan ang ebidensya mo?
What?
Mommy, where's the evidence?
What did you say? Oh, evidence?
Where's the
Don't
evidence,
make paddle to her. I don't think your asawa will
I
paddle to her.
don't want to talk to you. You are pure English. I want to talk to you.
So do you know Jeffrey?
I don't know Jeffrey.
You know Jeffrey.
I don't know nga. Mapilit ka, hindi ako kape.
You're his mistress. I saw you guys.
Baka ikaw ang kabit.
Oh no. So I am the other woman?
Yes, relasyon, kabit.
Excuse me. Masahista ko yan.
Oh,